सर्वसामान्य गोंयकारांक अर्थसंकल्पांतल्यान काय अपेक्षा आसात, पूण प्रत्यक्षात परिस्थिती मात वेगळीच आसा। आयज दर एका गोंयकाराचेर सुमार 2 लाखां वयर रीण आसा, जाल्यार रिणाचो एकूण दोंगर 36,000 कोटींचेर पाविल्ल्याचें विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमाव सांगता।
Basically, we have shown that this Sarkar has failed to implement these projects. If you look only on an average, 35% of the projects that have been assured in the budget are not implemented. And there is a decline. Declining is from 44% to 36%, and last year was only 24%. काट्यार जे पास जाताले आज फेल जालेले. तर म्हाका दिसता the people have expectations, a lot of expectations. Everyone has expectations, but realistically जे रीण आमगेले almost 36,000 crore पावला. प्रत्येक गोंयकाराचे 2,30,000 रीण आहा. What is the program of this government? What is the revenue expected? Last time the figure जे आमकां दिल्ले revenue expected was 800 crores from mining. These crores are only on paper, or whether they are different crores, I don't know. So basically, people have expectation. I hope the Honorable Chief Minister looks at the education sector, focuses on the education sector. There are structural audits needs to be done for these structures of almost 650 structures in Goa today. Safety audit now. Persons with disabilities, I hope he announces some things for them, because ये accessible Vidhan Sabha आहा म्हणून गेलते वर्सा सांगले फकत एक रॅम्प. Realistically, what is the problem? The मुखेलमंत्री खबर आहा.